Hi and welcome to Case Club. Today we'll be reviewing our Glock 19 pistol case. It's designed to hold your Glock 19, 3 extra magazines, and a speed loader. First, we'll talk about the layout of the foam, and then the features of the case. When your case arrives, you'll need to remove these foam plugs. Removing the pistol foam plug will immediately fit a stock Glock 19. You will note we have added 2 finger holes on either side of the grip so the gun can be safely removed without you getting close to the trigger. Our case features customizable foam with perforated sections that can accommodate your gun with or without underbarrel attachments, optics, or a threaded barrel. To fit underbarrel attachments, optics, or a threaded barrel, you'll need to connect the perforations in these sections with a knife and remove the foam. To fit optics such as a red dot, you'll have the ability to connect the perforations above the gun. The optic perforations have 2 sections to choose from. The smaller section closer to the rear sight is perfect for a small red dot. The larger section can be removed for a larger sight. Be advised, the optic cannot be taller than 1 3/8 in height. Similar perforations in front of the barrel can be removed if the gun has a threaded barrel, and below the barrel for underbarrel attachments. Just in case you change your attachments later, save all your plugs and simply reinsert them back into the case to keep the fit snug. Hot glue can be used to permanently glue the foam back in place. The case also has 2 magazine cutouts that can hold a total of 3 mags. The cutout on the bottom left can hold 2 magazines stacked one on top of each other. Again, we've included a finger hole so that the bottom magazine can easily be removed. For excess magazine capacity, we've included a cutout below the grip which will hold 1 more spare mag. On top of that, the pistol cutout includes a magazine relief so that a mag can be left in the gun for a total capacity of 4. The compartment at the top left of the case is perfectly proportioned for a speed loader or other small accessories such as earplugs or loose rounds. This case will accommodate any generation Glock 19 and is guaranteed for life. It's airline approved for checked luggage and is a legal transport container in all 50 states. We recommend this case for camping, off-roading, vehicle storage, and airline travel. Be advised, this foam is an upgrade from Pluck foam. Unlike Pluck foam, this foam is pre-cut, ensuring a perfect fit for your gear and saving you time from having to do it yourself. Another advantage of our foam is its military spec characteristics when compared to cheaper foam. When it's closed cell, it won't absorb liquid and you can easily clean it if it gets dirty over time. Cheaper foam, on the other hand, will absorb any liquids and slowly deteriorate. Also, it provides adequate cushion for your gear, but won't tear like the cheaper foam. And the foam in the lid is a much softer convoluted polyurethane, whose ridges help to secure everything in place. And around the perimeter of the lid is a gasket seal, which makes the case 100% waterproof. So let's put it to the test. First, we'll put in a paper towel to show that no water gets in. Perfectly dry. The case features 2 snap latches with positive feedback, 2 metal reinforced padlockable holes for added security, 1 manual pressure relief valve so that the case can be opened at any altitude, a light orange peel texture to help prevent scratches. In back, there are 2 strong mechanical hinges with stainless steel pins that are one way so that they cannot be tapped out, as well as feet so that the case can stand upright on its own. The handle folds down to stay out of the way when not in use, and the case shell features ribs to help deflect impact. You can find this product and many more at caseclub.com, the industry-leading manufacturer of cases and custom foam. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.